Hi. Now, you no longer need to merge Google Earth VLX files into AutoCAD to trace your area. All you need to do is visit the following website and log in with your email ID.
Yes!
It's quick and easy to set up an account. The basic version of this website already provides a lot of useful features that can help you select and customize your area. Once logged in, simply choose the area you need, and then tick the boxes for the specific data layers you want to include, whether it's contours, elevation data, or other relevant information. Once you've made your selections, just click on the Export button. From the export options, choose the DXF file format, which is perfect for AutoCAD, and you'll be able to edit and manipulate the drawing directly within AutoCAD. This gives you both 2D contour lines and 3D outlines of your selected area, making it ideal for both planning and visualization. Now, you can have both a detailed topographic view and a three-dimensional representation, all ready to integrate into your project in AutoCAD. In addition to this, feel free to explore our website where you'll find over 2,000 ready-to-use floor plans and a wide range of structural drawings that can be downloaded and incorporated into your projects.